Hey everybody, this is Patrick Loda with MarineMax here in Somers Point, New Jersey. Today we're checking out this new listing. It's a 2023 Sailfish 316 dual console. This thing is a great all-around boat, very popular with the cruisers, fishing, day boating, dock and dine, does everything that you want it to do. Right here you see there's all the additional seating that it has. So this is a fold-down seat on your starboard side. So fold up out of the way. You have a walk-through transom. This is your transom seat that's fold up, so this way if you are fishing, this way now you have plenty of room so you can kind of follow the rod around. You have a dive door off to the side here, and then you also have a trolling seat, which is real nice. Okay, back of the boat, a lot of cup holders, rod holders. This is a live well. Small little cooler and/or storage there on the port swim platform. This boat is powered by twin 300 Yamaha 4-strokes. Got 6 rod holders across the back here, saltwater washdown, swim ladder there that has a hatch on top of it. You also have a shower there, fresh water, and you also have a stereo remote. And then this is also where your battery switches are. So it's the first and last thing you do getting on and off of the boat. Coming around here, okay, you got 2 nice fish boxes in the floor. They have a grouper gulper pump, all powder coating, and a little bit of shot up here. There's your taco outriggers that this is equipped with. And this boat here had a custom made 10 rod holder and powder coated to match rocket launcher. Does a great job there. Aft seating right here. A little forward seating up here as well on the port side. A lot of room up in here, nice dash. Also this has an electric head. A couple items in here from the current owner. This has twin Garmin screens, so this has GPS chart plotter. This also has the Helm Master, so that's your docking joystick. So it's got everything that you need, all digital throttle and shift, tilt, helm, VHF radio, all Garmin Fusion stereo, has a through hull windlass. This boat is loaded up. So it's a self-bailing hull, PFD storage up here on the top. Very, very well thought out. This also too has the tall windshield. So this way you can kind of close this all off. So this way if you get out into some rough seas, keeps you dry and comfortable. And then a very large bow area up here in the front. And this way you have plenty of room here. Sailfish is known for their deep freeboard. Stereo speakers, cup holders, grab handles. It's got a real nice, comfortable setup here. If you'd like to see this boat or any other boat, give us a call. This is Patrick Loda with MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. This boat can be shown by appointment only at 609-926-0600. See you out on the water. Thank you.